Good day. Here's the latest news for today. Another round of food packs were once again distributed by the provincial government of Misamisnons through the Provincial Social Welfare and Development Office with the assistance of the Provincial Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office. Which municipalities received these food packs, Jane?
PSWD recently distributed 100 food packs to Misamis Oriental Provincial Hospital of Manticao. Dr. Ezra L. Peralta Jr., MOPH Manticao Chief of Hospital and Overseer of MOPH Initao said that the food packs is intended to be distributed to families of patients who are admitted in the hospital.
So matag pasyente nga atong ma-identify nga ma-admit diri sa atoa, patagaan nato isa ka food pack ang ilahang pamilya kay samtang na-admit ang atong pasyente naapod tabang nga nahatag sa pamilya sa atong pasyente.
In addition, due to the emergence of new COVID-19 positive cases in municipality of Salay, Misamis Oriental, PSWD and PDRRMO commenced its third wave of distribution, numbering to 200 food packs for affected families placed under focused containment in Porok 7 Inubulan, Barangay Saray, and Porok 7 Poblasyon, Salay, Misamis Oriental. Municipal Social Welfare and Development Office Head Ms. Corina Ventura is very thankful to Governor Bambi Emano for providing them with support in a swift and timely manner.
Ma'am, dako kay siya katamang, of course, para sa ilang adlaw-adlaw nga needs, no? Atong gihatag nato sa ilang sa every family gina siya. Dako kay nakatabang sa LG in behalf of the local government unit, no? Dako headed by our municipal mayor, Mayor John Capistrano. Ako kaya mong pasalamat sa local government unit sa provincial Misamis Oriental Province sa pagpadayon pagsuporta sa atong mga local stranded individuals, sa atong mga cases karon sa atong MIU, sa atong BIU nga mga LSI. Dako kayong katabang atong food packs para sa ilang mga families. Daghan kayong salamat sa probinsya sa Misamis Oriental.
Governor Bambi Emano and Provincial Task Force Chief Dr. Jerry Kalingasan reassures all Misamisnons that whichever municipality is in need of aid and assistance in halting the spread of COVID-19, the Provincial Task Force will make sure to provide all necessities because they understand that fighting the pandemic is not an easy task and that only by fighting it, together we will overcome the virus. This is Jane Habinyar, aimed towards a clean and honest governance. Reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Jing?
Thank you, Jane. In another development, obeying Governor Bambi Emano's directive to continue providing responsible family planning services throughout the province despite the pandemic, the Provincial Population Office initiated a progestin-only subdermal implant outreach activity in Claveria. Jebson Patlunag has the details.
In accordance with Governor Bambi Emano's order to provide responsible family planning services to all Misamisnons, the Provincial Population Office, headed by Mr. Andrew Gapus, successfully conducted its progestin-only subdermal implant or PSI outreach activity on Claveria on November 27, 2020. In collaboration with partner organizations such as RTI International, USAID, Commission on Population and Development Region 10, and the local government unit of Claveria, the event aims to introduce and encourage women in the province to consider the use of progestin-only subdermal implant as a family planning method to prevent unplanned pregnancy, especially now during the pandemic. Mr. Giovanni Bitoy of USAID and Ms. Sherlyn Subrado of POPCOM Region 10 are the medical professionals from our partner agencies that provided their services for the people of Claveria, while Ms. Zigrid Pinky de la Cruz, Municipal Population Officer Designate, and Dr. Christy Marie L. Rosales, Municipal Health Officer for Claveria, spearheaded the initiatives from the LGU, while the Misamis Oriental Health Providers team were made up of Ms. Dorca Sakay, Ms. Nadine Montesilio Ibarat, and Ms. Rowena J. Caracol, together with Ms. Hazel Lomaino and Ms. Charlene R. Ramosa from the Provincial Population Office. A total of 84 women of reproductive ages participated and availed of the free progestin-only subdermal implantation. 6 patients underwent removal and replacement, while only 2 opted for removal. Governor Bambi Emano strongly advocated and pushed for responsible family planning. For as the father of the province, he shares the same concerns with the Commission on Population and Development that the cases of unplanned pregnancy may increase throughout the Philippines. This is Jebson Patlunag, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Jing?
Thank you, Jebson, and that is the latest news for today. For more updates, please visit the Misamis Oriental Provincial Information Facebook page. Once again, I'm Jinky Rosit. Good day.